Photo editing is a challenging task that can require many tools. With the development of technology, the new laptops are coming with some of the best Photoshop features. These laptops can run Photoshop features. It can help you to perform the Photoshop task efficiently. The laptops come equipped with powerful Photoshop editors that can help you to deliver high-quality assignments. If you are looking for a computer that can run graphics efficiently, then a high-quality laptop with Photoshop features can help you achieve success in your jobs. Our team of experts has come up with 10 best touchscreen laptops for Photoshop that can be suitable for performing Photoshop tasks. Number 1. MacBook Pro 16-inch. Apple MacBook series has a sleek and slim design. It comes packed with powerful features. It is portable and comes with a large screen as compared to other laptops available in the market. The computer is perfect for carrying along with you while you are traveling or outside your home. It is lightweight and has a modern design. The real-tone technology helps you to enjoy vibrant colors and themes. And with improved graphics, you can enjoy excellent picture quality. The laptop is ideal if you want to edit or Photoshop pictures as it has the latest Adobe Flash Player installed. The laptop comes with good quality speakers that can allow you to enjoy music and movies. The keyboard of the MacBook is of high quality. It has smooth and comfortable keys. The laptop has a fast speed runs applications like Photoshop Editor efficiently. Number 2. LG Gram 17. If you want to Photoshop your pictures with the help of powerful editors and want your photos to have enhanced graphics, then LG Gram 17 is the best option for you. The laptop is the best value laptop. It is lightweight and thin. It is one of the most lightweight laptops available in the market. LG Gram can be perfect for your Photoshop jobs. The laptop comes with a 17-inch large screen that can help you to create crisp and detailed pictures. If you wish to create accurate images with vivid colors, then LG Gram 17 can serve as the best option. It is the best laptop for Photoshop options. It comes with some of the best tools for performing the task. The computer can deliver the best performance. It can beat any computer available at similar costs. A minor flaw of this laptop is that it has a loud keyboard, which creates loud sounds when you are typing using the keyboard. If you type too fast, then you wouldn't notice that it has a loud noise. Number 3. HP Envy 13. If you have a tight budget and don't want to invest a lot of money on a laptop, then HP Envy 13 is the best option for you. It is the perfect ergonomic model that can fit inside your bag. HP Envy is lightweight enough to carry around with comfort. It has an attractive design and style and can suit you if you prefer stylish models. The laptop can allow you to perform advanced editing. It can help you to Photoshop your pictures in the best way possible. The laptop doesn't come with a large screen, but it has a good quality screen that can help in editing and detailing of the pictures appropriately. It shows you the smallest of the details. It can help you to Photoshop your images efficiently. If you are looking for a laptop with quality features and come at a reasonable price, then HP Envy can be the best option for you. The laptop comes with large storage space. This laptop can help you to save a lot of documents and pictures. Number 4. Dell XPS 15. The Dell laptop comes with old technology and has enhanced graphics. It comes with a bright display with a 4K display and a 1080p high-quality touch screen. The screen panel is sufficient and significant. It can allow you to Photoshop pictures in a secure way. The laptop can help substantially perform Photoshop tasks. The keyboard is backlit. It can allow you to work in the middle of the night before disturbing anyone else. The laptop is also perfect for gaming. It can help you to perform Photoshop tasks in the best way. It comes with a plethora of storage options. This laptop can help you to store a lot of data. The computer is a bit heavy as compared to other models, but it is a minor problem because it has such brilliant features. The laptop has a sufficient size, and it can fit in any small bag. It comes with a powerful graphics card, and it can help you to Photoshop your pictures quickly. It doesn't have great battery life, and it doesn't run for more than 3 hours. Number 5. Lenovo Yoga 730 2-in-1. The Lenovo Yoga laptops have gained a lot of fame and attention because they come with many exciting features. They are customizable and come with some of the best Photoshop editors. The laptop is made with not great material and will have to take special care by taking care of this laptop. The laptop is stylish and comes with a durable notebook. It can give a powerful performance. Lenovo Yoga can allow you to Photoshop your pictures quickly. The laptop is compact and comes with an IPS touchscreen display. It has a great display. This laptop offers quality brightness and vivid detailing of your pictures. Lenovo Yoga will help you enjoy a powerful Photoshop experience. It can also be perfect for daily use. It has a comfortable keyboard and has long battery life.